हाय रवि।
हेलो सर।
आपका डेमो क्या है आज आज का?
My today's demo is about risk assessment for policy approval in insurance.
ओके।
Yes, sir.
पहले क्या करता है? पॉलिसी अप्रूवल करने का प्रोसेस एक्सप्लेन करो पहले। बाद में एक्टिविटीज के बारे में, एमएल मॉडल डिजाइन का ये एक्सेल शीट में डाला है ना, वो
Yes,
एक्सप्लेन
yes.
करो।
Okay, sir.
ठीक है।
Okay,
हम
okay,
म्यूट कर।
okay. So, when we issue any policy from the insured, so we need to uh, know about that the insurance. This is the first policy for him, or this is the he issued policy earlier. So we asked to the insured, share your documents that we need to KYC, and which insurance you need. You need a motor insurance, general insurance, or my home, or any other. If he need the motor policy, we take the his vehicle RC book, and his vehicle documents, like he use PUC, and and his PAN card, Aadhaar card, that KYC document we take, and we issue the policy uh, with his name. If any claim is happen, that time we check the about that motor vehicle, the where is the incident happened, when is the incident happened, what is the loss description, what is the time, and the insurance the insured have any loss, that we check. And in the policy approval, we need only we send them a claim premium amount to issue in the policy. This is the process about the to renew a policy. Now we come here to my ML model. In the phase one, first we define the business problem, and define the business problem and set the objective. For this, we need a business analyst and a product manager. What business analysts do? The business analysts take the idea about the product. What is the idea about the uh, product, and the knowledge about the insurance product.
रवि
Oh,
रवि,
yes,
आप
sir.
आसान से हिंदी में एक्सप्लेन करो। डोंट स्ट्रगल टू एक्सप्लेन इन
Mm,
इंग्लिश, ओके? जस्ट
No,
कंटिन्यू
sir. No,
इन
sir.
हिंदी ओनली।
No,
हिंदी
sir.
ओनली, यू कंटिन्यू।
No, sir. I'm trying English also. Yes, sir.
ठीक है।
Okay. And to understand the business analyst, he is the to understand the business need and stakeholders, and identify who will use the model. Means this model is need to insurance companies or healthcare or institution. So my model is about the insurance, and understand how insurance claim prediction will be used. Means here is he understand how insurance claim prediction will be used in a fraud detection, premium adjustment, financial risk assessment. The financial risk assessment we see about the his means if he issued the policy, he is not able to do the claim 2 or 3 times, or he do any fraud in the claims, that we check in this model, and define the key performance indicators. The mean absolute error, root mean square error, and R square square. So this is the formula about the how the KPI work, and define the input and output variables, and identify the independent variables features like age, gender, medical history, occupation, lifestyle factors, etc. These are the factors which we use uh, to see the claims about that the uh, insured. Define the we check the variable amount and the claim amount of that the dependent. The second is the data preparation. For making this model, we need a data engineer to prepare the data. He collects the data and he uses synthetic data for the privacy issues. Then he generates the synthetic data about the what he need to how many entries he need, and that entries is stored in a CSV file, and he keep the columns like application ID, age, gender, medical history, lifestyle factors, occupation, claim amount, claim reason, and claim outcome. And first we check the missing and negative values in that the CSV file, and save and I save that the data in a insurance claim data CSV file. And then the step three, the data pre-processing and cleaning. In this use, in this section or this step, we use the data scientist. Task one, import libraries. For making the this model in a VS Code, we need to import libraries. The libraries are the pandas and NumPy for handling the data, and we load the data in a CSV file into a pandas data frame, and that libraries read the my CSV file using PDRead CSV. And the task three is handling the missing values. These are the handling the missing value. Check missing values using df install.sum, and for fill the missing claim amount value using the median group by claim result, and the fill the missing age values using the median. If we need to fill the age values, we use the median. Task 4 is handling negative value. If we have any negative value, then we use the code is a convert negative claim amount and age values to absolute values. Task 5, to save clean the data save the clean data set and in a name as a clean the insurance claim data CSV file. The step 4 is about the data visualization and analysis. In this, we also here is also we use data scientists. The task one is about the explore data. In this step, we explore the data set shape and first and last files. Show summary statistic using DF describe. Task 2, unique values and correlation analysis. compute they compute the correlation matrix for numerical features and visualize correlation using a heat map. That's about the distribution analysis. Here is the we distribute the general histogram for numerical variables like claim amount and age. And task 4 is about the claim outcome analysis. Create a count plot of claim outcome and analyze the claim approval rates based on the medical history and lifestyle factors. The step 5 is a more important is the feature engineering and selection. For this, we also use the data scientist. Task 1 is the encode categorical features, means to encode the convert the category columns, the gender, medical history, lifestyle factor, occupation claim result using label encoding. And if you need the create a new feature, then we use a compute score is equal to claim amount divided by h plus 1. Create an interaction term age into claim amount. Task is to save process the data set. Yeah, what will be the data we add in the new or encode? that we will save in the processed insurance claim data CSV file. And the step 6, model selection and training. Uh, uh, in this way, we use machine learning engineer and data scientists. In the task 1, split data into a 10 and test sets in a 80-20 mark. Separate the feature in X and X features X and the target Y. Use it here we use 10 test split to split data into 10 and test sets, and then we save this data set in the CSV file. Then we train the model and initialize the linear regression model. Train the model using training data. Save the trained model using job lib.dump. The step 7 is about the model evaluation. Here the person is the data scientist, AML quality engineers are. The task 1 about the load the test data and train the model. Load load test. Here we see the test CSV file Y and X and train the model. Task to make prediction and compute metrics, predict claim amount using test data, compute MAE and IMSC, R squared score, display evaluation matrix. Model deployment and integration. Here the MLOps engineer, DevOps engineer are used. Task 1 to deploy model using APIs and cloud services. Task 2 integrate the model into insurance system. Task is optimized for scalability and latency. For model monitoring and maintenance, uses MLOps engineer. Task 1 the monitor model performance over time. Set UP CI/CD pipelines for automated updates. Task return the model when necessary. We have step 10 ethics and regulatory compliance AI ethics specialist. Task 1 assess the ethical implication for ML model. Task 2 ensure compliance with data privacy regulation. Task 3 conduct bias and fairness assessment. Step 11 design user interfaces ML and UX designer. In this, the task 1 create initiative and user friendly interfaces. Task 2 conduct use research and testing. Task 3 ensure seamless user experience. Task 4 incorporate user feedback into design iteration. These are the steps uh, to make a model about my use case insurance is risk assessment for policy approval. These are the my Excel. Yes, sir. Hello? Hello, sir.
या हो गया क्या?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, what is your plan now? Are you going to explain the code or solution
Sir,
design?
tomorrow I will explain the course, Python code for this.
Then solution demo when you are giving.
So session was on Saturday.
Okay, I'll stop recording. ठीक है.